Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 9 of class 7, subject GK. Famous airports. Given below are the names of the airport. You have to write the location or the place from which they belong. Given below are the names of some national and international airports in India. Write the names of the cities and the states where they are located. Use hint box to answer. This is the hint box. From this you can take the help and you have to write the answers. Tell me what? Name 5 more national and international airports in India with their locations. This is your homework, children. First one is Anna International Airport. Where it is? It is at Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So write the spelling of Chennai, Tamil Nadu in first one. Right, children? CHENNAI Chennai, comma Tamil Nadu. Right? TAMIL Tamil NADU Tamil Nadu. Second one, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar International Airport. It is at Nagpur, Maharashtra. Right? NAGPUR Nagpur, comma Maharashtra. So write MAHARASHTRA Maharashtra. Third one, Calicut International Airport. It is at Kozhikode, Kerala. So write the spelling KOZHIKODE Kozhikode, Kerala. KERALA. Fourth one, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. It is at Mumbai, Maharashtra. So write the spelling of Mumbai. It is MUMBAI Mumbai, comma Maharashtra. MAHARASHTRA Mumbai, Maharashtra. Fifth one, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport. It is at Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So write AHMEDABAD Ahmedabad, comma Gujarat GUJARAT. Okay, children. Sixth one, it is Dabolim Airport. Where it is? It is near Panji, Goa. So you have to write NEAR near PANAJI Panji, comma Goa. Okay. Seventh one, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. The answer is Kolkata, West Bengal. So write Kolkata, West Bengal. KOLKATA Kolkata, comma WEST West BENGAL West Bengal. Next is eighth one, Indira Gandhi International Airport. It is at New Delhi, Delhi. So write NEWDELHI New Delhi, comma Delhi DELHI. Next is ninth one, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. It is at Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. So write HYDERABAD Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. ANDHRA Andhra PRADESH Andhra Pradesh. Last one, that is 10th one, Veer Savarkar International Airport. It is at Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar Island. So write PORT Port BLAI Blair, comma Andaman Andaman and and Nicobar 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 Island ISLANDS Island. So children, these are the some names of the airports and these are the locations where they are located. Now you have to do chapter number 9 in your textbook. Coming to the chapter number 10, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So this is the conversation we are going to read and understand. Misha, this is one girl, Misha. She is saying, what is this Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? What is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? Now Ankit is replying, Misha, it is a pledge that our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has taken along with millions of Indians to make India clean and green city. He is the Prime Minister. His name is Shri Narendra Modi. He has taken the pledge to clean our India and to green again. Now Misha is replying, wow Ankit, that will be so nice. It will be so nice. I'm really excited. Now she is very excited. Like many foreign countries, our India will become a shining star. Now what she is saying, that like many of the foreign countries, they are very beautiful, they look very good, like a shining star, our country India will also become a shining star. Now what Ankit replies, yes Misha, this will make all of us so proud. But you know, to make that happen, we all must work. Now what he is saying, he is saying, yes Misha, this will be very proud for all of us, but you know, to make our country India clean and green, what we have to do, we all have to work with it. Now Misha, I am ready. She is saying that I am ready. Tell me what to do. Now she is asking him, what should I do? Ankit replies, here are some tips to get started. Now he is saying, I am giving you some tips so you can start it. Now what are those tips? We are going to read. First one, take the pledge for a clean India now. Now he is saying that first you have to take the pledge to clean our India now. Make sure you inspire others to join Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Now what he is saying, that you should inspire other people to join Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Third one, promise to give at least 2 hours every week to make India cleaner. Now he is saying you should promise at least 2 hours you should of every week to clean our India. Okay, you can start by keeping your school and its surrounding very clean. How you can help? You can help by cleaning your school and the surrounding area clean. Next is never throw wrappers or rubbish on the ground. You should not throw the wrappers of toffees or anything or the rubbish on the ground. You should throw those things in the dustbin. Educate the illiterate people to become more clean. Now the next work they have to do is to educate the people who are not having the education, so that our India will become more clean. Then celebrate the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan on every 2nd October in the school. Last thing is that on every 2nd October, that is the Gandhi Jayanti, we people should celebrate that day as Gandhi Jayanti also and the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan day also. Like this we can keep our country neat and clean. So children, we have read the chapter number 9. In that chapter we were having the names of some airports and we have to write the locations. In chapter number 10 we have read about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The conversation was between the two children, they were the Misha and Ankit, and here were some tips how we can clean or keep our country neat and clean. Okay children, so complete your work in the textbook on page number 13, chapter number 9. Thank you.